Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Jyoti Jyoteli with Shruthi. Today's special recipe is Veg Panneer Dry. So let's get started. Here I have taken 100 grams of cube size paneer. So sizes are according to your wish. I have made small cubes of it. Now let's take out necessary spices from our masala rack. So here I have arranged few jars which is filled with masala spices such as turmeric powder, chili powder, dhania powder and jeera powder. Here comes a masala mix which is readily available in the market. The main ingredients of this are corn flour, red chili powder, garlic powder and onion powder and necessary starch. I have taken 2 to 3 spoons of thick curd in a bowl. It's time to mix the ingredients. So let's get started. I'm adding 2 to 3 spoons of thick curd in a mixing bowl. Now add 3 to 4 spoons of kebab masala which is already shown before. Now I am adding all these masala into the mixture. Quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, quarter teaspoon of red chili powder which is also called as Kashmiri or Lal Mirch, quarter teaspoon of coriander powder or dhania powder and quarter teaspoon of cumin powder or jeera powder and quarter teaspoon of garam masala. Now let's add salt to taste. Now a quarter teaspoon of kasuri methi, crushed kasuri methi I am adding to it so that it gives an extra taste to the masala. Let's mix all together slowly. Here I am using the whisker to mix it so that each and every ingredient mixes well. So let's not forget to add some quarter teaspoon of sugar, which balances salt and spices. Here I have taken 1 bell pepper which is capsicum and 1 medium sized onion. So let's wash it and cut into cubes. It's time to mix all the vegetables. Let's add diced paneer, diced capsicum and diced onions to the masala. Let us mix it well and marinate it for 15 to 20 minutes. Mix the veggies with masala properly in such a way that all the vegetables are evenly spread with masala. You can adjust spice and salt according to your taste. So now it's time to marinate. So after 10 to 15 minutes of marination, I'm adding cooking oil to an kadai for deep fry. So let us heat this in a medium flame. It's a small tip. The deep fried item should be placed on a tissue so that it absorbs the excess amount of oil. Now let us add the marinated vegetable one by one slowly into the oil. Now the veggies are fried almost. Now it's time to strain out the veggies from the oil. So let us serve in a serving plate. Now you can see you can tap with the tissue paper to remove the excess amount of oil on it. Before serving it, let's make it more colorful. Here I have taken chopped spring onions, and chopped coriander leaves. Let's all garnish on the plate. So here how it's look, and also it's yummy too. Hope you all like this video. You will surely love this recipe. Just do try once at home and you can enjoy with it. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and click on the bell icon next to the subscribe button to get all the notifications of my new videos. Please like and share my videos. Hope you all like this video. So let us meet up in the next video. Until then everyone, take care. Bye bye.